Guys, welcome to P4 PUBG channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Tencent gaming buddy error. So, let's see the problem. When I click on play, it will start loading, but after sometimes it will show you error. So we have this is failed to restart the emulator. Emulator was not properly closed. Please restart the emulator. After restarting emulator and computer, nothing happened. So to fix this issue, we have to download a software called Process Hacker 2. So first open the Chrome. Now click on search Process Hacker, download Process Hacker. Yeah, just download it from this. I have already downloaded it. Okay, and you can find the direct downloading link from the description in the video. Okay, now I have downloaded it. Now run the Process Hacker. You can find this. You have to run this as administration or give the admin rights. So first you have to search AW. It's not capital. AO. You can see this aoexe.exe. You have to close this. Terminate. Yes. As you can see, it's terminated. Close this. Now try. Now let's see, we have fixed the error. Now you can play PUBG without any error. So it's your PUBG starting. It will take some time. Thank you for watching.